Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook business page. So first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on your menu and switch to your page account by clicking the pages right here, and you're gonna see the many pages that you have or you manage inside the Facebook. Just go ahead into this page, for example, and you will see a pop-up window that allows you to switch to your page. So we're gonna wait up right here. And as you can see, this is the interface of the page or the home page feed. I'm gonna click on the menu like you're doing in your own normal account. Just go ahead and click the settings gear at the top right, and from here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the page settings. In the page settings, you're gonna see multiple options right here, and just go ahead right here until you find the access page information. So I'm gonna move on to the access page information. You're gonna see right here activity and all that. So basically you're gonna see right here access and control. Just go ahead to it, and from here basically you don't have to go to meta or whatever because it is a page, not a profile. Just go ahead to deactivation or deletion. In the access and control, you're gonna move on to the next step, and you're gonna see right here deactivate page or delete page. Just go ahead into deleting the page, continue right here, and just select the reason why. I'm gonna just move on to the next step, and here I'm gonna just continue again. And if you want to save some posts and download some information that might be important, just go ahead and do that. Afterwards, you're gonna just go ahead into deleting account, and basically you're gonna enter your password of your normal account, and basically after you add it, your page will be set to delete. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.